If you haven't logged into myLane yet, please pause this video and do so now. To register for your Lane courses, click on the My Enrollment tab. In the top left box, click Registration. Pause this video here if you need to enter your L number and passphrase. Click Register for Classes and select your term from the drop-down menu. Click Continue. This next step is important. Click on the orange tab labeled Enter CRNs. Next, you're going to create a new tab by clicking on the plus sign or small box, depending on your browser, to the right of the current tab you are viewing. This opens a new tab. In the address bar, type lanecc.edu and press Enter. This is Lane's home page. Find the yellow menu bar towards the bottom of your screen. Click on the last choice, Class Schedule. Look under the term you'd like to register for and click on Credit Class Listings by Subject. For this video, we'll use Spring 2019 as an example, but be sure to select the term appropriate for your registration. If you are interested in online courses only, you can use the Lane Online link in this right-hand menu, which only shows online and hybrid options. Hybrid means partly online, partly face-to-face. To search for classes, you can either scroll and find your course area alphabetically, or you can type the course number you are looking for in the quick class search box. For example, Writing 97. And either press Enter or click Go. This pulls up all offered Writing 97 courses. The 5-digit CRNs, or course reference numbers, are listed in the extreme left column. Each CRN is a course offered at a different time during the week. In the Notes column, note the tilde or squiggle. This means that there are low-cost materials, or what we call open educational resources, available for book options. Not all courses offer the option of low-cost materials. Face-to-face course options are always listed first. Towards the bottom are offerings that are online or hybrid, marked with the computer icon. Decide which course best fits your schedule. Note, for some courses like Writing 97, you must also register for a co-requisite, in this case, EL 117. This means you'll need to input 2 CRNs when you register. The CRN for Writing 97 and the CRN for EL 117. Either write those CRNs down or copy and paste to your registration tab. Let's say I want this Tuesday-Thursday course at noon. First, copy the CRN by highlighting it and doing a right-click to press Copy. Click on the Registration tab at the top of your screen and right-click in a blank CRN field to paste. I'm going to repeat this back on the credit class schedule with the CRN for EL 117. going back to the Registration tab to paste my second CRN. Once you have your CRNs listed, click Add to Summary. After your courses are added, you must click the Submit button at the bottom right hand of your screen to register for these courses. If you do not click the Submit button and sign out, you will not be registered for the course. After clicking Submit, you will see your status changed to Registered. If you decide this course won't work with your schedule and need to drop it, click on the drop-down menu and select Drop with Refund. Again, you must click Submit to finalize. The course should disappear from your screen. If you'd like to see a different way of registering, click on your myLane Portal tab near the top left of your screen. In your My Enrollment tab, click Need Help Using the Registration System. The video at the bottom of this screen introduces an alternate way to register.